We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig Stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. Slightly pulling downwards and trying to find support here. And it wasn't the only stock falling. The overall market pulled downwards and the SPY as well. And at 10:20 a.m., our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, put options went up 3 to 4x within hours, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. Whether stocks are going up or going down, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that edge and clarity over the charts and join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction while stocks are either going up or going down with that edge and clarity over the charts. Once again, that link is down below in the description. So Bbig stock consolidating here. We want to see this break above key resistance levels to show strength, but it has broken through some key supports. We're going to break it all down in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% jumps, but the home run of the day turned out to be CYN. We caught this one pulling downwards in the pre-market and towards the bell, gained strength, got that bull indicator, and within the volatility, hit a highest point of 40% plus, guys, within minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock pulling downwards and breaking through key support levels and slightly trying to find support at these newer lower levels. Now, I stated in my previous video that these are going to be very important levels for the rest of this week and probably even going into next week. So you're definitely going to want to stick around for all the key levels we're going to break down. But before we go ahead and do that, I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive that edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize within the volatility in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to go ahead and have that edge and clarity over the charts. So here we are with Bbig stock. It's been under a bear indicator since yesterday up here in the 260s. And I stated it was trying to hold support here above the 240 range, right? And I stated if it could bounce away from it and get a bull indicator and cancel out this bear indicator, there might be some strength within the volatility. But if it breaks through 240, we need to watch this carefully. If it gets closer down to these areas of 228, 230 range, and all the way back down towards 210, right? These are the key support levels, and right now the stock is fighting within the 230 and 234 range. So let's go ahead and pull up the 4 hours so we can see the bigger picture. And again, we're continuing to see extreme weakness here. 2 white with red borders back to back, and in the last 2 runs on the 4 hour, it lasted 2 bars, and on the recent one, it lasted 3 bars. So anything beyond 3 bars could be something of further significance to the downside, but it could try to eventually try to reverse just based off the extreme weakness level on 42 vision of white with red borders. And there's usually a reversal. The last 2 times it hit it, we got reversals, and some are weaker than others, some are stronger than others. So definitely a point to be watching. It is under a bear indicator since $3.04. And we've talked about this in every single video. that we've known this since the beginning of April. Once that bear indicator popped up, if no bull indicator pops up, to go ahead and cancel it out. It's going to dominate over the chart, and it has. So something to keep in mind. That's the whole point of being able to see the dips and the rips every time they happen, just like it did right here, and it ripped up and it got that confirmation followed by a bull indicator. That's the goal with 42 Vision, to receive that edge and have that clarity over the charts to maximize in either direction. And we've known things have been bearish since way up here at $3.05, but we've been watching within the volatility every single time it tries to come back up for confirmation if a bull indicator pops up to negate it. And if it doesn't get negated, it's going to continue, and it has. So that's what this is all about. The clarity, that edge, and being able to see things within the volatility and not let the charts trick your eyes. So on the 1 day, I've stated this bull indicator has been really strong, and it's actually went up, came down, has done a full transition from dark green to dark green with red borders to red bars consecutively back to back, and no bear indicator, right? And I stated if it reverses back up with strength, this bull indicator is going to continue to hold true. But if it gets followed by a red bar and a bear indicator, things could get weaker and go into further weakness and cancel out this bull indicator. And here we are, right there. Now, could this get canceled out by another bull indicator if it tries to come back up pretty quickly? Yes, of course, anything's possible. But this has actually reached a point now that it canceled out the bull indicator from way back in March 21st in the whole entire process to the upside. And now we've been pulling downwards, and officially it hit a bear indicator. So we got a bear indicator on the 1 day. We got that bear indicator since $3.05, 4 cents give or take on the 4 hour. And we have a bear indicator since up here at $2.60 in the last 2 days. So what are the key levels here? Well, to the downside, $2.30 is the first support I'll be watching. Below that is $2.10, and then comes $2 near the 52-week low. To the upside, we want to see this break above $2.45, turn that into a support, push upwards, and then we have up here $2.64, the high from yesterday. And within that process of coming back up, if the bulls have strength and have that support formed at these resistance levels, we want this bear indicator to get canceled out and pull upwards with a bull indicator in the process. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some